Why don't we produce it with our own CNC robot system and our app? So this is our app. Let's construct the table. Length 1200, breadth, let's see, 650, thickness 12, height 750, and full nose, let's see. Okay, choose the material. This one looks better. Okay, and we go to our floor detection. So I want my table here. So it's there, or maybe a little bit in between these two. Okay, this is our table. Let's go to middle. Hello, I'm CEO from Arts of Juliet. The table is finished, you can see. It's so beautiful. Now it makes me so happy to work like this way. If you have any ideas, or if you want to know how can you automate your production with CNC robots, contact us. You can come to visit us, you can call us, or write an email.